Cameras are rolling. Action.
All right, continue making ready.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Stand by.
Hey Curtis, did he say that we have to shoot the left side left-handed?
No.
No, just on the left side of the barricade.
Oh, okay. He shot it left-handed, so that's why I was
He
curious.
thinks he's gaming it.
We don't have to shoot.
Set it back over here.
But I think it was 2 shots in the head.
The first shooter was Adam. Adam's time was 31:54.
Yeah, you can do that instead of red.
It's time plus, but it requires 2 in the head.
On the PCC table.
So you don't have to shoot
Oh,
left
okay.
side left-handed, right? You just have to
I didn't even know that that existed.
2 in the head, though. Don't forget, 2 in the head.
Oh,
I ain't saying it again.
Two in the head.
well, sort of. He's got 1.5.
Adam, did you say we have to shoot the left side left-handed? No. Okay, you just did it.
31. 4.
Ah, I see.
Adam just thought he was faster that way.
So what are the rules? Yeah, unloaded pistol.
But in
Start
retrospect.
rifle loaded.
Okay.
Pistol unloaded.
Okay.
2 in the head for rifle.
Is that Virginia or Comstock?
It's
It's
Comstock.
Comstock. Except for
2
you.
in the head or 2?
2 in the head with your rifle. Paper only. Don't shoot the
No
steel.
steel.
Okay. That's the rifle.
There's not a whole lot of game into this.
What kind of booze we
No,
got up
I
there?
know, but normally it's 2
What kind of booze
anywhere
we
or
got
1 in the head. But you're saying 2 in the
Right,
head.
2 in the head.
Making sure I understand.
Had a bad day at work.
Actually, they were both half. Like, one was half and the purple one was just on the edge.
Yeah, you were lucky you got one.
I did a little bit too much
Coffee brandy.
oversight.
Who's next?
I'm not a big brandy drinker either, but that's what
Whoever
all
wants to. Whoever has a firearm in their hand. That would be Nate.
Huh?
Looks like Nate.
Mainers.
Oh.
This thing in.
Nate, you can be next.
Yeah,
Ready?
I'm gonna
Try.
Guess he didn't want anybody else drinking.
Yeah, I know. I was just going to say that's not it. You got it? 2 in the head.
Hey, Ken, make sure you snuggle up to him with that suppressor.
He's going pistol.
Position.
I'm waiting for somebody's rifle to slide off that pit.
What did you start at, Adam?
just like that.
Fort?
Yeah, that would be
No,
bad.
muzzle touching.
All right.
Stock on hip, muzzle touching.
You got it. All right. Are you ready? Yep. Stand by.
Suppressors don't work that well on yours.
So,
We have to start with our pistol, nothing
Those that-
unloaded. Sweet, cool.
Make your rifle clear.
he was actually shooting 200 grainers and stuff.
It's weird when your pistol's louder than your rifle.
100 yards.
Yeah, that's what we shot the
Well, I
hog.
heard it.
Yeah, that's what we shot hog.
Hammer down.
Or muzzle up. Sips on it. But you had to be pretty close to those clusters.
Yeah, it's not a long range cartridge.
No.
It's a 50, 100 yard. If you've got enough.
Range is clear. 2779.
Energy on that.
2779.
And enough weight.
Nathan's time was 27:79.
out of the camera.
I brought two here too if you guys want. I have two for Jeremiah Johnson.
Oh, wow.
Adam actually likes Johnson.
I'm good. I'm not falling off the wagon.
That finished unload and show clear.
Vanilla
Clear.
flavor.
Hammer down and holster. Let's make your rifle clear.
Adam liked that one. Yeah, that or I think it's alcohol content.
Don't like that one?
No, Adam did. He liked it.
Oh yeah, it's really good.
But he questioned the
I
alcohol.
just tried this one last night. Okay.
Yeah, it's 8.5%.
Very nice.
Not terrible though, but we mixed that with a shot and plus a couple of those.
Yeah.
Adam said he was a little.
Thank you, it's clear. 3, 2, 8, 3, 2, 8.
Well, I guess that's supposed to be up there.
Zach's time was 42.87.
Wood, okay. Are you ready?
I need to get
Stand by.
mag pouches for the shotgun.
What's that?
I bought 2 things of shotgun carriers
Oh.
from Tom. Do the safari land.
Well, I'm finally on my belt. Like one of them, and I have
I
2
think
more on a.
You know,
Goes across the chest.
I think the right answer is those drop mag shotgun
Tube,
shell
the
holders.
tubes.
No, they hang on your leg. That way you can. If you're shooting prone, you got to turn this thing around. Having it on your belt is a pain in the ass.
I like it on my chest the best.
I think it is until you have to shoot prone.
But you're always running, and I hate stuff on my leg when I'm running.
Yeah.
And I think it's faster to load because it's closer.
Yeah.
Finally.
I'm compelled to get the drop leg.
Center field, there you go.
Just because.
I learned that little trick and could never find the spot.
For what?
If you put your thumb, like
Right
that
there.
in there, basically all the rounds will feed up and hit your thumb and pop them all out. So you can mag dump really quickly with the rifle.
There's another to that.
One more.
But it's taken me so long to try to figure it out that it's...
Clear. Hammer down, holster.
You got an AR mag?
Okay, now rifle clear.
There, and you do is take one bullet and put it right here and just go back and forth and they all fall out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's like you.
Clear.
Which one of you guys is up next?
You just take your bullet in the back of the mag and go back and forth and they all fall out.
Walk the back muzzle up.
Really? I just slide them up.
When it's full, that's a
Range is clear. 8-4-2-1. 8-4-2-1.
Last shooter was Roger. Roger's time with 1 FTN was 89.21.
Are you ready?
because you can fit, I can get the
Stand by.
shotgun and put it right
Love
in.
that drives. I use that thing more than anything else.
Yeah.
Curtis bought himself a
Too low.
mechanical offset.
Target 1. Much better.
Oh, the learning
This
curve.
first left
Right?
hand target.
Aim for the top of the head.
God. Good job. You got it. Let's finish on the show clear.
Confirm.
That's
One
what I was
FTN.
shooting until they started getting away from race guns and doing this
4190.
So I...
Shooter was Curtis. Curtis's time was
And that has the integrated compensator.
Curtis's time was 36.90 and he had a FTN, so it was 41.90 was the final
I can
score.
keep up with it.
Concealed
Are you
guns
ready?
and everything, so.
I
Stand by.
like it. I mean, like I said, this is what I carry. So I just put a sport jacket on or whatever, and
Jesus. Good. Aim a little higher. Good.
yeah.
Good job. Clear. Hammer down and holster.
Bought it, paid for it.
Rifle clear.
2 weeks ago, 2 weeks, you finally got it to me on the steel challenge.
Yep. Put it in the safe and that's it.
Clear. Hammer
It
down.
had Hornady, it must be the, what is Hornady's self-defense ammo? Two full mags full.
Range is clear. 4896. 4896.
The shooter was Andrew. Andrew had no FTN, so his time was 48.96.
Are you ready? Ready. Bye.
Did you? Maybe it needs a break in or something. Huh? Yeah, we're going on, because I usually put on the long time. Shot offhand.
Finish unload. Show clear. Clear. Hammer down the holster. Let's make your rifle clear.
That's still a quarter of some sort, isn't it?
Yeah.
That was it, wasn't it?
I think so. Unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down, flag, or lock it back.
Last shooter?
Range is clear. Yep. 3022.
Shooter was Nate. Nate's time was 30.22.